Hello and welcome you all to Riding Nomad. This is Tushar and I will be taking you on all riding adventures on my Royal Enfield Himalayan BS6. Also, I will share videos related to bike maintenance, accessories and riding gears. I believe riding experience cannot be peaceful until and unless the rider is comfortable on the saddle. And hence, today I'm going to share a detailed review about an essential bike accessory that offers a good amount of storage and is easily accessible at the same time. Allow me to present you Xeon R1 14-liter magnetic tank bag by Gods. As my motorcycle has a metal tank, this bag is totally apt. I got a pretty discounted price on Amazon at Rs 1,999, whereas the MRP is Rs 2,799. You can check the link to this product below in the description box of this video. Coming back to the features of the bag, the build quality is quite sturdy. The material used is very rugged and can take up heavy amount of dirt or water splashes while you're riding. Considering utility, this bag is quite spacious and can hold up all basic necessities like wallet, compact cameras, extra batteries, mini tripods, portable charger, water bottle and sunglasses, and still leaves ample room for more essentials. It has a dedicated compartment at the top for cell phone, due to which accessing phone becomes hassle-free. The bag also has tiny little pockets which hold all small items like memory cards, pen drives, charging cables or extra keys, making it more organized. After all, it totally depends on how you utilize the space. The design of this bag is very appealing and pretty much suits the design of my bike. I feel the magnets could have been bigger in size, like how you get in Rhinox's tank bags, for stronger hold on the fuel tank. If you compare the price range with other brands, you won't find any bag in this price range with promising quality and design. Lastly, it is really not necessary that this bag can only be used for long tours. People who love to carry minimal things but find backpacks oversized and discomforting while riding can really think of such options for daily commute, as this bag comes with long and comfortable straps which can help you carry it like a backpack or a side bag. But make sure you select tank bags that don't spoil the look of your bike and serve the purpose completely. Stay tuned for more such short and informative videos. You can write to us on contact.ridingnomad@gmail.com. Let's catch up soon on amazing adventures. Stay happy and stay safe.